Hello my friends and welcome back to the channel. Today we are making a very dangerous work. I'm trying to strip down, paint, glue, everything from the frame and from the parts, rims of this wonderful, not so wonderful, because the wheels are terrible, but Lancia 037 vintage. As I told you in the previous videos, links down below, I bought and left on the shelf because I was not happy with this car, and today I'm beginning to understand the reason why Tamiya made 3 or 4 of these wonderful rally cars in such a stupid way, and perhaps it's not so stupid. Well, the work is not begun. We are at the beginning, and the first steps is to try to have all the parts at the original shape, without paint, without scrapes, without rust, and so on. In today's video, I will show you the chemical thing. Here under, there's the horrible can. I call it in Italian l'orribile bidone, and here inside there's I will write because I can't say in English, soda with water, terrible. And this is wonderful for all the plastic parts, not for metal. You put a screw, you don't find it anymore. But let's step behind and I'll show you from the beginning. Comment, like and subscribe. Thank you. And this is the horrible bin I need. One. Well, I think it's enough. Then, these are the pieces. Okay, they're in. And now, water. Maybe it will make a little reaction because it's not hot but warm water. Nothing happens. Okay, I need a lot more. Okay, it starts boiling. There's no way to keep it on the bottom, as any metal things I put here in, they will melted. But I'm confident. If you see this little piece here, is this. It will take time, and close it. Bye-bye. After one day and a little bit, oh, yes, okay. Perfect. This has to stay here for 3, 4, 5 days. For sure, there are other systems. But I love this. And now this is a little bit dangerous. You know, because I use this trick a lot. And with this, I hope that plastic will return white. Herein. Okay. In a moment you will see little bubbles, and then the process begins. Perhaps in 5, 4, 3, 6, 8 hours they will be completely renewed. After 1 hour, I'm sorry it's not very clear because there's the plastic over full of bubbles, but you can see that is a little bit whiter, and the liquid is working. I have to wait a little bit more. After a good wash, this is the situation. The body was painted, and somewhere it has some damages, like here. Well, these are yellow. Yes, it's an old model, but there's a lot of work, and all what I show you till now is just to wash and to prepare the refitting work. It's quite a long work, and the conditions of this model are quite poor. Not too much, but poor. Here is going on. Let's see. And so, my friends, this is all. The body washed, but needs some work. The frame uncolored, original color, original plastic, but it's very, very old. This makes me very happy. I don't remember if I've shown you that they were really yellow, like cream. And now they are peroxide of hydrogen, 130 volumes. And this is the car, all the pieces, tires and other parts, rims and so, are into the peroxide of hydrogen. An idea. Why not to put the frame and the frame pieces into the peroxide, as they were in a terrible condition with yellow spots, in terrible color, and sand, and this is what is happening. The frame is back to his original wonderful gray. This makes me very happy. I have to wait one day about. Then I will be ready to assemble with these instructions. And these instructions, as my printer doesn't print on both faces, I glued the pages. I'm very clever. If you need instructions, Tamiya base. And on this, thank you very much for watching. Comment, like and subscribe. Up to the next. I will start assembling the car.